जैसे कि तो मुझे स्टोरी बहुत पसंद आई और मुझे लगा कि कायो कभी बोल देगा कि सॉरी 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 वो रॉन्ग नंबर लग गया था। माधव मानव ही वांटेड
एक्चुअली वही हुआ था।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कायो होता है इस जगह में
हाँ
तो कायो भी ऐसे ही काम करता है। दोनों राउंड राउंड स्पेक्स पहनते हैं,
पहन के आए, दाढ़ी है, लुक एट द स्माइल,
सेम मैचिंग
कायो
मैचिंग।
हंसता है, मैं वैसे ही हंसा हूँ।
Hi Shefali, hi Manav, hi Kaiser. I am
Hi,
Rohit
Rohit.
from News 18, and I saw your film, and it's pretty nice one. Very slice of life and very different kind of film. Like we don't see such films with such the kind of pacey environment we live in. So ये तो बहुत ऐसे ठंडी वो क्या कहते हैं उसको ड्यू ओस का एहसास जैसा.
Oh, how lovely. What a lovely comparison.
So I was just wondering that what were your first thoughts when this concept came to you? Starting with you, Shefali.
Uh, when Kayo met me and he gave me a one line, in the first 5 minutes, I said yes to it. I'm a hardcore romantic. In my head, there is a constant love story going on every day. And this was like living one of them. And what was even more beautiful is something that I really, uh, I mean, I just love the fact that a lot of it is unsaid. And I feel you don't need words to express everything. So it was a beautiful combination. It's such a vulnerable, heartwarming, and heartbreaking story. And I fell madly in love with the story. I fell madly in love with Kabir, Natasha, just all of it. I just had to do it.
And Manav, your first thoughts?
मैं डर गया था दो चीज से कि तो मुझे स्टोरी बहुत पसंद आई और मुझे लगा कि कायो कभी बोल देगा कि सॉरी 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 वो रॉन्ग नंबर लग गया था। माधव मानव ही वांटेड
एक्चुअली वही हुआ था। तो ठीक है यार, चलो
यार मिल गया, जो मिला है काम चला।
मतलब अब फोन कर ही दिया है तो कर लेते हैं काम.
हाँ, अभी ठीक है,
कॉफी भी पी ली है हमारी, तो कुछ तो नमक खा लिया इसने हमारा। तो मैं एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली डर गया था बिकॉज एक तो ये है कि इतनी सुंदर कहानी का हिस्सा मैं हूं और ये मतलब थोड़ा सा एक आश्चर्य सा था मेरे लिए। दूसरा था कि ये मैं लैंग्वेजेस में बहुत खराब हूँ। मैं बहुत जल्दी लैंग्वेज पिकअप नहीं कर पाता हूँ और खास करके मुझे रहना पड़े दोस्त पीपल जिनके साथ मैं इंटरेक्ट कर सकूं, अगर वो आमने सामने ना हो तो बहुत मुश्किल। तो फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जब प्रोसेस चालू हुआ तो बड़ा मजा आया, लेकिन फर्स्ट थॉट तो मैं डर गया था और तो मैं थोड़ा टाइम लगा कि डाइजेस्ट करके बार बार काय को फोन करके परेशान करने के लिए, तो मुझे नहीं लगता हो पाएगा, ये कैसे होगा, कैसे करेंगे। एंड बट लकीली हमारे पास एक बहुत अच्छे टीचर थे सीताराम, जिनके कारण हम सब अच्छे से कर पाए।
And Kayo, I was just wondering that first your transition to being a director from an actor, and also choosing such a serious thing for your first mainstream outing. It must be like it must have taken a lot of courage.
See, in terms of an actor, मेरी शक्ल एक्टिंग के लिए नहीं बनी है. I've never wanted to be an actor. It was something that came my way in Student of the Year. I've always wanted to be a director, and that has always been my goal. Um, I did fall in love with the story, and I did love the idea of the story. But yes, you're right. I was a little nervous in terms of the sign language, and mainly in terms of the fact that will people be able to understand while a language that they don't know? And I was really nervous until the first day of shoot कि देख भाई पहली पिक्चर है, चुपचाप कुछ नॉर्मल सा लिख ले, अच्छे कोई डायलॉग्स लिख लो, वो सब अच्छे हो जाएगा. People will say, yeah, not bad, he can direct, he'll do something maybe next time. But I didn't plan on taking a risk. It was not कि चलो पहला risk लेते. I didn't plan on it. I just enjoyed this, the mudda of the story. I enjoyed the single thought behind it so much that I said, yeah, this is what I would like to make.
And also there is this thing that what I like the most about the film, that it's set in a city which is like always hustling and bustling, but there are these characters who, they don't talk, and they express only through gestures, and everything like has been shot from a very calm perspective. Like it puts you, it gives you a there is a sense of calm. How did you create that? And it's for like all of you, all three of you. This question is for all three of you.
Um, it was done. The idea of calm was an idea that we had from the beginning. That whenever Kabir and Natasha were in the same scene, we'd always stay calm, and we'd always keep it really smooth and very silent. And so from terms of sound design, from birds chirping to you hearing crickets, that was always a plan. In terms of camera language, we decided that.
You may start.
Rohit ji,
So Rohit, I
kindly.
actually continued my answer. Listen,
No, then I would request you to do it one more
do
time
it
for me.
again. Okay, just tell me the question once.
The question was that how did you create? You were talking about cinematic,
Right,
the
right.
language you used in the film.
So the peace and calm was done very intentionally, and we did it as a juxtaposition from Natasha's life with her husband, in Natasha's life with Kabir. So in terms of, it was not just sound; it was even visual. In terms of sound, we intentionally introduced sounds that humans like, which is the sound, sometimes the sound of birds or the sound of water, things like that. It's all intentionally done by the sound team. And with camera also, the DOP decided that all scenes with Kabir and Natasha will be shot very smooth on a dolly with simple tracks, while every scene with her and her husband will always be handheld. So it doesn't feel, it feels a little more chaotic. And that was intentionally done. I must admit the fact that you noticed this, I'm quite tickled by.
The other thing is that, like, I will start with Shefali. It's a very layered role, and I mean, as an actor, it must have been very challenging to portray both sides of the story. Like your character, in a family. Like, I don't want to reveal much for the audience because they need to see the film. But all I want to say is that you had to balance both the worlds, like one which is going inside you and which is happening outside of you. So, how challenging was that?
Uh, well, we are all balancing various worlds on a day-to-day basis. Also, it's very strange, but I also see her more tipping off the balance than being able to maintain that balance. And she just lets her heart lead her. And she's not untrue about what she feels at home or what she feels for Kabir. I mean, she's not untrue about it at all. So there, I don't think there is a balance that she's keeping. In fact, she's tipping that balance, and that's why she's. I mean, I love that character so much. And nobody is single layered. You know, all of us are very complex beings. We have black and white, but we have a lot of gray in between. So it's very human to and I don't know. I mean, I just stood in her shoes and did what Natasha would at that point of time, really.
And you have done a very good job there, I must say.
Thank you. Thank
and
you.
and for Manav, that the character was like, except for the language part, except for the sign thing, wasn't it like close to you? You are also a writer, kind of poet. So like उसका एक बहुत शायराना सा मिजाज है.
हाँ, वैसा तो है, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक अपने अपने भीतर जो एक किस्म की लाइफ लेके चलता है कबीर, वो बड़ा एक्साइटिंग था. यू नो हाउ मच इन पर्सन आई एम, अगर मैं कितना भी जॉयफुल हूँ टू एक्ट और टू बी कबीर एंड ट्राई टू डू, मतलब वो उस तरह की लाइफ को पोर्ट्रे करना बड़ा कठिन होता है, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर एक्टिंग. बट मस्ट से दो जो चीजें जो सबसे ज्यादा वर्क की हैं इसमें, of course Kayo की script and the way he knows what he wanted, और शेफाली सामने का खड़ा होना, because वो कॉम्बिनेशन इतना इंटरेस्टिंग था कि मतलब कोई भी दूसरा एक्टर होता तो वो ऐसे ही काम करता, इतना ही काम करता, ऐसा मुझे लगता है।
कायो, क्या ये जो कह रहे हो सच है कि दूसरा एक्टर होता तो ऐसे ही काम करता?
See, I'll tell you very honestly.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कायो होता है इस जगह में,
हाँ,
तो कायो भी ऐसे ही काम करता है। दोनों राउंड राउंड स्पेक्स पहनते हैं,
पहन के हैं, दाढ़ी है, look at the smile,
सेम मैचिंग
कायो हंसता है, मैं वैसे ही हंसा हूँ।
I'll tell you something honestly. I am very very blessed and lucky that I have these two actors in this film. मैं सच में बोल रहा हूँ, and I'm not saying this just for the sake of it. मुझे set पे कुछ करने का था भी नहीं. They would do everything. We never rehearsed. Okay, they don't like to rehearse. They like to do the first rehearsal is always the first take, and they would just go for it. And I would say things because लगना चाहिए कि director ने कुछ बोला, but के अलावा I really didn't have much say because they have done their homework brilliantly. They knew the script brilliantly. They knew the characters, and so I'm blessed to have them. And I would not have it any other way other than Shefali and Manav.
एक चीज और शेफाली और मानव कि ये मतलब जब ऐसी स्टोरीज करते हैं कि मतलब काफी कई बार हार्ट ब्रेकिंग भी हो जाता है, काफी धक्का सा भी लगता है देखने वाले को भी, तो देखने वाले को तो खैर लगता ही है, इंटेंशन भी रहता है, एक्टर्स पर भी कुछ उसका टोल होता है क्या?
जब हम लास्ट सीन लास्ट डे पर शूट कर रहे थे, और नॉर्मली हमारा सेट मतलब इतना हंसी मजाक, कांस्टेंट हंसी मजाक मस्ती चल रही होती थी इस सेट पर, बट आई रिमेम्बर गोइंग ऑन द लास्ट डे टू शूट एंड आई वाज इन अ टेरिबल मूड. I was just in a bad space. So everybody was scared कि पता नहीं क्या हो गया है, घर पे कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई है, but everyone was like, listen, don't talk to her. But I cannot tell you how much it affected me. और वो लास्ट सीन करते वक्त, even in between takes, or even after I finished it, I remember I went up to the makeup room and I was sitting with I was sitting with Pallavi, and I just couldn't stop crying because मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था कि अरे वो इधर गली के नुक्कड़ पर रहता है वो, और वो कभी नहीं दिखेगी उसको. And it just broke my heart. मतलब I can't tell you how much it affected. It really affected. It was like I had said no to love, and it just kept coming back like, oh God, I lost a chance of one of the greatest love stories possible. I was very, very affected.
The way you were describing everything makes me understand what kind of mood you were in.
I was in none of them wanted to come near me. I was in a very bad mood that day.
No, it's genuinely true. We were worried in the morning. We spoke to our team. Is she okay? Have we said something to upset her? Something like that. Do we want to reshoot some scene? I don't know. She was in a bad mood. And that last scene when she on the door when she falls down crying, after we called, and it was we took that take for like 2 minutes. We just held it while she cried. After we called cut, she continued crying I think for like 3-4 minutes. So that was outstanding. I think we were all crying.
मानव, आपका क्या टेक था वो फाइनल सीन करने में?
जैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग को हमेशा लगता है हम बहुत चालाक हैं, चीजें करके भाग जाएंगे और हम पे असर नहीं होगा, बट हम चालाक कितनी चालाकी करें, चीजों का असर होता है, बिकॉज हम में से कोई वहां कुछ भी झूठ कर नहीं रहा था. मुझे अभी भी याद है कि कायो ने मेरे पास आया था और कायो ने बोला था क्या प्लीज जस्ट गो टू शेफाली एंड आस्क इफ एवरीथिंग इज ओके बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. अरे मेरी तो नताशा है, मैं तो कभी भी पूछ सकता हूँ. सो आई वेंट, मैं उनके रूम में गया, मैंने पूछा एवरीथिंग ओके, एंड शी वाज फाइन विद मी, बट शी वाज नॉट टॉकिंग जैसे हम लोग रोज बात करते हैं. मतलब वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गेट एक्साइटेड एंड क्रैकिंग जोक्स, लाफिंग, सिटिंग, हैविंग चाय, बट समथिंग वाज ऑफ. आई सेड मैंने आई एम हियर, मतलब हम अगर आपको इफ यू वांट टू टॉक. He said, no, I'm okay, I'm fine. I'll come. Okay. मैंने कहा, she seems fine. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता है, ऑफ है कुछ. एंड जनरली जब सीन मैंने किया, उस सीन करने के बाद जब मैं भागना चाह रहा था उस जगह से, उस दरवाजे को छोड़ के, उस घर को छोड़ के, तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि व्हाट शी वाज गोइंग थ्रू.
Right, right. So on that note, guys, I have used up most of my time, and again, you guys have made a very good film, very nice, super film. So all the best for your project.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Jaiveer.
you. Thank you.